Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen California camper. This vehicle has done just under 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our 3 belted seats and foldable table. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as our first double bed, making this camper 4 berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, app connect and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC, and if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.